I am trying to start me and my family off with baby step one of trying to get ourselves out of debt and moving forward. But my wife doesn't fully feel on board to kind of change our living and thinks we're just doing fine when we're going paycheck to paycheck. So I'm wondering, how do I kind of get her on board with this idea and help navigate that whole situation.
Do you handle most of the finances, Benjamin, in the house?
So she won't allow us to combine them. So she has her paycheck that pays our mortgage. And then I am supposed to cover all of the other bills with my paycheck.
How old are you guys?
I'm 34. And
how long have you all been married?
4 years.
And she's how old?
She's 23.
And you've been married 4 years?
Oh, sorry, she's 24. We got married when she was 20.
Okay. All right.
So y'all are a 10-year difference, age-wise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, she's probably not feeling, because you said she's not feeling the paycheck to paycheck, and she's probably not if she's making a better income and her only bill is the mortgage and she's just living her life, and you're the one that's feeling more of the tension. Yeah. And so I think that's an issue in and of itself that I think would be fair for you to sit down and talk about. It's the why behind Benjamin. I mean, that's what we always say to start with. And your why of wanting to do this is what? Because you're stressed, because you're scared if something happens, like you're not going to be able to take care of this family. Like what's the why for you from wanting to even engage a different process financially?
I mean, the why for me is just that we just had kids, and like my car needs some work. I have picked up I've started hanging TVs and doing contract IT work in order to.
Yeah. So what normally happens when someone first finds us and they start getting really excited about what their future could look like if they were out of debt and in control with their money, because they're in debt and out of control with their money, and they run into their spouse all excited and jumping up and down in the kitchen and say, "I'm going to sell your car." Right? They run into the kitchen all excited, jumping up and down, start talking about what we need to do. We need to get on a budget. We need to cut our spending. We need to get in control. And you start talking about the what, and Rachel was saying, you probably led with the what, and if you did that, you're normal, by the way. That happens a lot. And if you led with the what, you've turned my name into a cuss word in your house.
Got you. Okay.
Okay. Instead, reset, go in and say, honey, I approached this whole subject that's really important to me poorly with you. Mm-hmm. I goofed in how I approached you with it, and I'm really sorry. You owe her an apology. Then reset and say, and the reason I'm so excited about this stuff, and I think it's really important for us to work together, is because I'm scared to death.